How to delete Phonepe account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this following video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Phonepe account on your device. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. First thing first, you need to log into your Phonepe account, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. And once you're on the home page, you need to click on the question mark icon located in the top right corner of your screen, and after that you'll be directed to the help center, and under it you'll be able to see a list of options. So right on this page you need to click on Phonepe account, and as you tap on it the page will expand, and once again you'll be able to see a multiple option, and from the list you need to click on deleting an account. So on the other interface there is a confirmation, so make sure to go through it, and after that you need to click on contact us. So once you've reached the support ticket, you'll be notified within 2 to 3 days through your email that the account deletion request has been submitted, and all you need to do is confirm it by tapping on the confirm button, and after that you have successfully deleted your Phonepe account on your device. So that is how you can delete your Phonepe account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.